Hi, this is a quick video showing our VOLKSPC desktop running Wayland applications. What exactly is VOLKSPC desktop? VOLKSPC desktop consists of two Android APKs that allow you to run Linux desktop on any Android device. The installer APK installs and manages the Linux desktop, and the desktop APK sends Linux audio and graphics to Android. What you're seeing here is the Lenovo tablet, and we have enabled the screen recorder so that I can capture this video. Let me start the Linux desktop. So Linux desktop is a Debian Bookworm based ARM64 distribution. So right now it is just booted into the XFCE desktop. So this is based on GTK3 toolkits, and our distribution runs most of the application using our graphics stack, which provides X11 compatible libraries. That means Firefox browser, Thunderbird email client, all of the XFCE desktop application, and the LibreOffice suite works without any changes. However, there were some applications which didn't work on our implementation of X11. So what we recently did, we added Wayland capabilities so that we can run some of these applications on our graphics stack using the Wayland API. In particular, let's see, this is a Qt application which is based on the Qt toolkit. This didn't work before on our desktop, but since we added Wayland compatibility to our graphic stack, we can now run any Qt based application on our VOLKSPC desktop. So this is the Clementine audio player on Debian Bookworm. It's based on Qt, and we can play the audio here. I think it runs, it's in the panel, it doesn't quit, but I can quit it. On the application that we install here is a Falcon browser. So these are two Qt based application, and check again. This is based on Qt 5.15. So both these applications, runs on Wayland, and when you install our latest VOLKSPC image, it will automatically start the Wayland desktop once the system starts. We can also copy paste between Wayland. Let me try to capture the text between Wayland and X11, for example. Edit, I should say edit, paste. Okay, so copy paste between Wayland and X11 works. In fact, it should also work between Wayland and Android. So yeah, it's already here, paste. A dream quiz. So basically you can copy paste between Android, VOLKSPC desktop running Wayland, and VOLKSPC desktop running X11. So let's go back to the VOLKSPC desktop. So these are, so pretty much you can install any Qt application on the VOLKSPC desktop and it should run without any issues. In the past, we also provided, we still have that, the X11. We have a standard X11 environment that you can install and run any application that does not run on our VOLKSPC desktop. In the past, you had to run Qt application within this X11 environment. So now we don't have to do that because we natively support Qt applications with our Wayland X server. This Wayland server runs on top of X11, and the good thing about Qt is it allows you to tell Qt application not to draw their own window decorations. So that means it blends very well with our normal XFCE window manager, which is not always the case. For example, we also have Chromium browser. This is another application that does not work on X11. So we have to tell Chromium browser to start to use Wayland graphics, and you have to go to Chrome flags and see preferred platform is Wayland. So you have to tell that, and then it will communicate to our Wayland server. So there's some small configuration that you need to do to Chromium to make it run using Wayland. But other than that, it works. Even audio works.
The thing I was immediately struck with was the design. Lots of windows, lots of space.
But our default web browser is still going to be Firefox. But the good thing about having Chromium is there are other applications, electron-based application that use Chromium framework. For example, the Visual Studio Code Editor. This also did not work on the VOLKSPC graphics stack, but now with Wayland, you can run it natively on our VOLKSPC desktop. And that means we have better compatibility than we ever had before. So this is the latest Visual Studio Code that I can download from the website, and that uses Electron, and that is based on Chromium. So this application now works natively on our VOLKSPC desktop. All of these applications, the Qt toolkit based application, Chromium based application, Chromium browser did not work natively on the VOLKSPC desktop, but now they run well with the Wayland graphics stack that we provide. So this is important to understand. That's about what we wanted to show. So we now support Wayland, and Wayland graphic is supposed to be the future of the Linux desktop. So it's very important that we support it. That's it, folks. Thank you very much. I'm going to stop the recording now.